Microwave problem, and looks like this little thermostat. Yeah, nothing on that. Circuit is broken on that one, so that is the problem, I guess, right there. I got another one on this side, right here. That one's okay. Okay, so I know what I'll do. I'll just join those two wires together here now and plug her in. That'll close that circuit temporarily, just to see if that's what the problem is with it. See if it works. I'll just crimp that one. Just put that on there. Check that, see how the fittings, and if it's good. That one's good. I got the shakes of it today, and this one here now I'm going to crimp those down a little bit there. I might have to put a new fitting on this one probably. And that one there is pretty good too, so. Okay. That one there is black, and that one's black. So I just crimped them a little. When I get to the new one, I'll just crimp those a bit better. So I'll bridge those two connectors there now for a second, just to see if that works. It still works. Then I'll order a new one. Put a little bend in that so it's a bit tight. Okay, so it's ready to try there now. Take the stuff out of the way because of the microwave. There's very high voltage in that transformer. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in. So that's what's wrong with the thing. Okay, 59 seconds. So I'll reset that. Put in 12 seconds. And cook that for 12 seconds. Okay, so we got that fixed. Reset that, stop. Okay, so we got that. Found it, we got it all done. All I got to do is order the part, and that's it. Yep, this one. See now. Thermal cutouts right there. There's two of them. Yeah. One, two. Oven lamp. Yeah, so that's what I need. I order that. Yep. Yeah. just got this in the mail, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of those. Whew. Anyway, this one here, this is what was gone in the microwave. And, you know, I ordered a new one, so I gotta fix that now. Take it apart and fix that. This is a job for tomorrow, I guess. Check and see if it's the right one. Job for me to see that anyway. That's pretty good. I ordered one, I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Anyway, we'll get at that later on. This is the new part, and that goes right there. Okay. It's in there. And that one's in there. So that goes right down, right there. That just cuts out the microwave when it gets too hot. Turns off the power. So I'll put the screws in that one now and try it. Okay. As you can see, there's 2, one right here, and that new one right there now, so looks like it probably should have replaced the 2 of them. Anyway, I won't bother now. I'm going to put the top in that on her before I tries it. Because yeah, she's pretty well ready to try. Yep. Okay, she's ready to try. See what happens. Yep, good to go.